Welcome, focused learners, to today's explainer. Have you ever looked at a block of text and thought, man, I wish this could just read itself out loud and actually sound like a real person? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey into the world of AI voice generation. We're going to walk step by step through taking a simple, plain script and magically breathing life into it using some incredibly powerful, completely free tools.
Let's be real for a second. We have all been there. You write this fantastic, compelling script, but then you hit a massive wall. Maybe you don't have a fancy, expensive microphone. Maybe your recording environment is just way too noisy. Or maybe, quite simply, you just don't want to record your own voice. Trust me, that is an incredibly common hurdle. But today, we're going to completely bypass it. You literally won't need to speak a single word into a mic to get a stunning final product.
All right, here is our roadmap for today's explainer. Section 1, the magic of text to voice. Section 2, a step-by-step Speechma tutorial. Section 3, fixing audio gaps. Section 4, using ElevenLabs. Section 5, Speechma versus ElevenLabs. And finally, Section 6, using this audio in your own projects.
Section 1, the magic of text to voice.
Okay, so what's the actual magic here? It's using AI to instantly translate written characters into spoken words, but with human-like intonation and emotion. It's not just a robotic voice reading words off a screen anymore. It's about real digital storytelling. For our example today, we had ChatGPT write a quick dramatic story to use as our baseline. It reads, Polk is sitting on the floor with a dry piece of bread in his hand, and his mother is standing in front of him. Heavy, right? It's a scene with real emotion and tension. Our goal is to take this exact plain text, feed it to our AI tools, and get back an audio track that genuinely sounds like a person narrating a compelling drama.
Section 2, Speechma, step-by-step tutorial.
So, let's jump into our first tool, Speechma. When you pull up their website, you'll see the interface is incredibly simple. Just a quick heads up, ignore the ads on the page and zero right in on that main text box. Generating your first raw voiceover is literally just a 4-step process. First, copy your text, like our story about Polk, and paste it right in. Second, you'll spot a numerical code on the screen, something like 6837. Just type that number into the verification box. Third, pop up to the language menu. You can pick French, Spanish, Hindi, which was what the original source material used, or dozens of others. You can even preview the voices to find the exact vibe you want. And finally, just hit that Generate Audio button.
Now there is one crucial point to keep in mind here, your limits. When you paste your script into Speechma, you're capped at 2,000 words per generation. But honestly, to put that into perspective, 2,000 words is more than enough to easily knock out a standard short video, a presentation, or an explainer segment in a single click.
Section 3, fixing gaps in the audio.
Okay, so you generate your audio, you hit play, and it sounds a little robotic. You get these unnatural, jerky pauses. Don't panic. Transforming that raw generation into a buttery smooth voiceover is actually a breeze. Here is your ultimate troubleshooting checklist. You see, the AI engine interprets punctuation as a command to pause. So if you're getting weird gaps, go back to your text, strip out the double quotes entirely, remove the full stops, and swap them out for commas to keep the sentence flowing. Then, hop into the voice effects settings, nudge the reading speed up just a bit, maybe to a 10 or a 15, and switch the insert pauses setting to short. Re-enter that numerical code, click Generate again, and boom, you've got a beautifully smooth, continuous voiceover. Once you're happy with it, just hit the download button and it saves straight to your device.
Section 4, using ElevenLabs.
Next up is ElevenLabs. This is a massive name in the AI voice space right now, totally famous for generating premium, highly realistic voices. Now the interface here has a bit more going on, but don't let it confuse you. Step 1, you do need to log into an account, and then you just paste your script. Over on the left, you'll see all sorts of shiny tools like voice changers. Ignore them for now. To keep things perfectly simple today, stick strictly to the text-to-speech tool. On the right, you can search for your language, again, like Hindi or whatever you're working in, and browse through the voices. You can even adjust the built-in stability and speed sliders to really dial in the emotion, and then just click Generate Speech.
Now, I know having to create an account can be annoying, but the immediate benefit is huge. ElevenLabs gives you 10,000 free credits right off the bat. That gives you a ton of runway. It means you can play around, test different voices, tweak those stability settings, and generate a whole lot of high-quality audio before you ever have to even think about a paywall.
Section 5, Speechma versus ElevenLabs.
So which tool is right for you? Well, they're both excellent, but they cater to slightly different workflows depending on your speed and how much control you want. If we break it down, Speechma is absolutely fantastic for quick, anonymous generations. You don't need a login, you just type a code, paste your 2,000 words, and you're off. But as we saw, you might have to manually massage the punctuation, deleting quotes and dots, to get the pacing just right. ElevenLabs, on the flip side, needs a login but rewards you with those 10,000 free credits. The real game changer here is that it handles pacing a bit more naturally, giving you built-in sliders for stability and speed instead of forcing you to rewrite all your punctuation.
Section 6. Its use in projects.
All right, you now have these incredibly crisp, natural-sounding audio files downloaded to your computer. What do you actually do with them? Well, you drop them straight into your creative workflows. Because these are just standard audio files, they can be imported directly into any video editing timeline. They are absolutely perfect for narrating faceless YouTube videos, adding a pro voiceover to your slideshow presentations for work, or cranking out social media content where you want a polished narrator without ever having to set up a microphone yourself.
The barriers to creating incredible, professional-sounding content are practically gone. You had the words, and now you've got the voice. So I'm going to leave you with this question to ponder today. Which project are you going to enhance with an AI voiceover first? Will it be that presentation you've been putting off, or maybe a brand new video idea you've been dreaming up? Dive in, experiment with these tools, and bring your scripts to life. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning.